Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about Walmart. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Walmart. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.